Our given before. Certainly. This one you're shipping to him,
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Singapore.
Kuala Lumpur आणि राजधानी Kuala Lumpur
Singapore is Malaysia.
Malaysia. Singapore तो अलग कंट्री है, आपको कंट्री अलग है, एक सिटी है पण कंट्री पर बहुत नजीक है.
Malaysia નો capital है ना?
हाँ.
Malaysia
capital.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
So you stay in Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah, I stay in Kuala Lumpur. This Shah Alam is outside Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
It's in the state of Selangor. It's about 1 hour, 40 minutes.
So how is the weather there?
Like India.
Oh really?
Yeah, like India. Same.
Okay.
Same.
25 degree or.
Do you have snow? Do you have snow?
No.
Oh, that's good. I don't like snow.
28 degree to 33 degree. Yeah. Always, and rain. Oh, a lot of rain.
Okay.
You have a lot of rain here? No.
Yeah.
Only in rainy season. Only during the 4 months of year.
Okay.
Rest of the 8 months we don't have any rain.
Oh, Malaysia every day rain.
Oh really?
Every day is rain.
Every day.
Every day. Oh. And the rain come. And it's like bam, 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 bam. Every day.
Okay.
For about half hour, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weather is good.
Weather is good. Yeah. Same. It's the same as in India.
Your family is there in Malaysia?
Yes. Family is in Malaysia. It's fast, huh? It's fast enough, you know.
अब नीचे बैठी है. अब मजा आया सुनने में. बिल्कुल ठीक ही नहीं.
You got on YouTube this one?
Yes.
It is nearby Bangkok or पता है?
No. Bangkok, Pattaya is about